Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about accounting and bookkeeping services for hotel industry. We'll cover this few topics in this video. We'll start with revenue recording, accounts payable, payrolls, inventory management, tax compliance, financial statements, bank reconciliation, internal controls, chart of accounts, and record retentions. So let's start with revenue recording. In revenue recording, you have to track all the sources of your revenue accurately, like your room bookings, your restaurant sales, your conference and event bookings, and any other source of revenue you are having. And make sure that all the revenue is properly classified and recorded in the appropriate accounts. Accounts payable. In accounts payable, you have to maintain a system to record all the expenses in your business, including your supplies, your utility bills, your maintenance bills, repair cost, and any other payable if you are having. And make sure that all these invoices are properly authorized and recorded. Payroll. In payroll, you have to maintain a system that will track the salaries of your employees, and also you have to track their working hours if they are having any overtime, and also you have to calculate and maintain a proper sheet for their deductions and ensure that all this is compliant with the tax and labor laws. In inventory management, you have to implement a system that will track and control your inventory levels for the items such as toiletries, food and beverages, supplies, and other goods that are used in hotels. And you have to regularly reconcile these inventory counts with the sales and usage to identify if there is any loss happening or if there is any error. Tax compliance. In tax compliance, you have to stay updated with the tax regulations, and you have to ensure that all this is compliant with the local, state, and federal tax requirement. Financial statement. Financial statement is very important for every business. In financial statement, you have to prepare an accurate financial statement, including your income statements, your balance sheets, your cash flow statements, and others. This statement will provide a snapshot to the hotel's financial performance and position. That is very essential to make future decisions and analysis of your business. Bank reconciliation. In bank reconciliation, you have to regularly reconcile the bank's account with the regular transaction in the accounting system. This will help you to identify if there is any error or fraud happening in your business. Internal controls. In internal controls, you have to establish and maintain an internal control to safeguard the assets that are in your hotel. Ensure that it may involve any segregation of duties, if someone is cheating, or if there is any fraud happening. That all will be included in internal controls. Charts of accounts. In charts of accounts, you have to develop a well-organized structure of charts of account to the specific industry. In this, you will have to facilitate proper classification and recording of the transactions. So that will make it easier to generate meaningful financial reports and analyze your hotel's performance. Record retention. In record retention, you have to maintain a system to retain your financial records as per legal and regulatory requirements. This will include your invoices, bank receipts, statements, and other financial documents for some duration, not more than that. So every industry has some points that are commonly used to identify their performance and their success. So here are some key performance indicator of hotel industry. Occupancy rate. This indicator measures the percentage of your occupied room in relation to the total number of available rooms. Daily average rate. This indicator calculates the average revenue earned per occupied room. It provides the insight into the hotel's pricing strategy and revenue generation for room sales. Revenue per available room. This indicator will calculate the ADR by the occupancy rate, and this indicates the hotel overall revenue generating capabilities, and if your price is effective or not, if your hotel is in demand or not. This all will be calculated by this indicator. Gross operating profit per available room. This indicator measures the profit generated per available room after deducting the direct cost of operating expenses, means the furniture of room, the furniture of rooms, the bills that are generated from the room, they will be subtracted by the profit that is generated by that room. Average length of stay. Length of stay, this indicator calculates the average number of nights the guests are staying at a hotel. Revenue from food and beverages. This indicator will measure the revenue generated from the hotel's food and beverages operation. This will include the restaurant bills, and if you are having some drinks in the hotel, that all will be included in this. Customer satisfaction score. In customer satisfaction score, this indicator will measure your guest satisfaction through the surveys or through the feedbacks online or through the reviews of your website. And this will help you to access the quality of services, and also it will make you to improve where you are lacking. And also this shows the guest loyalty. Now, employee satisfaction and engagement. This indicator evaluates the employee satisfaction and engagement through the service and other metrics, if your employees is happy with working with you or not. This all will be calculated by this. Return on investment. This is the most important indicator that is used in any business. So, what is return on investment? This indicator measures the profitability of your specific investment or specific project that is undertaken by the hotel. Such as if you are making any renovations in your hotel, if you are changing the aesthetics of your hotel, your marketing campaigns, if you are upgrading the technologies in your hotel, this all will be calculated by return on investment. So this was all for the accounting and bookkeeping services for hotel industry. Thank you and have a nice day.